Alright guys, so we'll be looking at a lot of disease conditions in which we can be able to use cerebrospinal fluid to actually diagnose them. Alright, so the ones we'll be starting with is cancers. So can we use cerebrospinal fluid to diagnose cancers? And if yes, which type of cancers? Alright, then trying to know the type of cancers, what are the possible results you might actually be expecting from that cerebrospinal fluid. So what we have here, we said that cerebrospinal fluid analysis is actually a valuable tool if you want to diagnose malignancies, all right, that affect the central nervous system. Now, can you see how we are narrowing stuff? It's not any type of cancer, all right. It's a cancer that is likely to affect the central nervous system. Okay. So it helps to dictate cancer cells in cerebrospinal fluid, tumor markers present in cerebrospinal fluid, and other biochemical changes associated with metastatic or primary brain tumors. So for the methods, alright, so for the method is a CSF cytology. This one I'm trying to identify malignant cells present in the fluid. It's commonly used for diagnosing leptomeningeal metastases. Yes, you could have cancer in another place, but you understand you can use CSF to diagnose it most of the times if the cancer has actually grown, or they say that has spread to the central nervous system. You get the biochemical markers are certain proteins and metabolites that will be found in CSF. You understand, and they'll be found in CSF only when there's presence of cancer. Next-generation sequencing. This one is advancing genetic analysis for CSF that can dictate tumor-specific mutations and chromosomal abnormalities. The immunocytochemistry, the flow cytometry, is used to enhance the sensitivity of cancer cells dictation. The polymerase chain reaction and fluorescence in situ hybridization. There are molecular techniques for identifying tumor DNA in CSF. So these are the various ways in which you can be able to use CSF to actually pick up presence of cancer. So clinical application is used in diagnosing leptomeningeal metastases. Also some primary tumors that could occur in the brain, like gliomas, medulloblastomas, ependymomas, can also be diagnosed using the CSF biomarkers. Hematological malignancies like lymphoma, leukemias, they often infiltrate the central nervous system. All right, so making CSF analysis is crucial for monitoring the disease progress. Okay, so this is just it for how you can be able to use CSF in application to diagnosing malignancies.